Welcome everybody to another session of AMS. So today in this session I'm going to brief you about ADF. So there are various modules in this suite, ADF band, DFTP, etc. So we are discussing it one by one. So in ADF, what are the different applications which we can focus on while going for calculations? So speaking about ADF, before proceeding to the calculations or inputs, I would like to introduce to you what are the different features. So this is the menu tab where you can see the SCM menu where we can create the new inputs. In the file menu, we can open a new window and then import the coordinate files either from smile formats or other file formats. In the meantime, we can do exporting the coordinates, export it as a plan script, etc. And also we can do some, we can save that pictures in the picture format in the following resolutions for our publications and all. Then we have the edit menu where you can build polymers, frameworks, and also solvent molecules, etc. And how we can select a portion in a molecular system for our various calculations. You can do select region, and then atoms, how to add hydrogen atoms, how to remove hydrogen atoms, what are the different ways that we can create a dummy atom, and then the bonds. We can do how we can add a bond in between two atoms. We can guess the bonds, the bond geometry, how to remove the bonds, and we can view that molecules in 3D style, the direction along x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Then we have the camera option. Then the atom info, obviously the atom's type, element, name, surface radius. Then you can give the necessary colors and also calculate the atomic radius, etc. So in the help tab we have a tutorial. If you click on this tutorial, you will directly go to the SCM tab. And also we have the various documentations, how we can do the rotations, the shortcuts. So all the necessary options are available in this GUI itself. And also the command line interface. If you click on this command line, it will directly open to the command prompt interface. So at the bottom we have this structure bar. So we have the carbon tool, oxygen tool, nitrogen tool, hydrogen, chlorine, and then we have the periodic table, which is known as the element tool, where you can select the element as per your choice. And then we have this structure tool, where we have this alkyl chains, amino acids, the aromatic heterocycles, then cyclic hydrocarbons, DNA, ligands, where you can see the bidentate, multidentate, etc. Then the solvent systems, polyhedral structures, metal complexes, and also we can manage the structure. At the same time, if you're working on periodic systems, you can go to band module and you can select the structure tools. So if you're focusing on the symmetry, you can click on the start button to do the necessary symmetry of, that point group calculate, suggestions. So in the meantime, I will show you how to load a molecule in the system. So for example, there is a database. So if you search here in the database, it will take some seconds. So or else you can draw a molecule in this interface. So I'm just selecting an alcohol, for example, ethanol. So you can see the molecules as well as crystal options. So just select ethanol. So it's taking some time. Yeah. So now you can see the ethanol molecule. So this is actually how we can load a molecule to this interface. If you want to change the atoms in this interface or in this molecule, we can select it one by one. For example, if I want to change this carbon atom to a nitrogen, you just select the carbon atom and then go to the nitrogen tool, click on the nitrogen tool, and just replace this in a single click. So now it is changed to a nitrogen based molecule. So again, I'm just changing it back to carbon atom. So in the meantime, so this is one method how to load a system. And now press on the shift key, just select it, delete. I want to add a molecule from smiles. So how we can do that from smiles? So just go to any databases. I'm just taking one aspirin molecule. I have already loaded the Compchem. So just copy the smile format. Then go to file. So import coordinates from smiles. Just copy and then click on OK. So it will take few seconds. So now it is loading slowly. Yeah. So finally you can see that aspirin structure has been loaded in this interface. So I want to check that what is the point group. I'm just assigning a point group here. So it is showing that no symmetry is enforced. And just I'm doing a pre-optimization. This is a pre-optimization tool, and this is actually, if you want to select any bonds or something for calculations, you can click on this thing. I'm just clicking the pre-optimization tab. It is showing that the possible optimizations And now you can see that what are the changes happening in this interface. It is now going for a pre-optimization. So in the next session, I will brief you what is pre-optimization and the geometry optimization task. So likewise, we can do some small calculations in this interface. So you can see that how many iterations this is taking to make it a pre-optimized structure. So the changes are happening. When I load that in the smile format, it was a little bit, distorted structure. Now it is showing some type of optimization, a pre-optimized structure. So this is one method that how we can upload a module in this ADF window. So okay, for now, thank you.